bũrũri-inĩ wa Libya nimakiinyiite gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ marĩ mehariria-ini ma guthaka na ahootani a gikombe kĩa mozzart bet kakamega homeboyz marĩa maracaria mathiathi na mbere na gũcaria muhootani mbĩtĩka-inĩ iria irathiĩ na mbere cia Afrika iria itanyiitwo guthakwo muthi wa juma kiharo-ini kĩa Nyayo Stadium. Muthaki ũrĩa ũhambataga ngaragano cia golf Krisha na tũgĩtũta muthaki mũnini ngũthi mbĩtĩka-inĩ iria cirahanĩkire mwena wa Muthaiga na Sha arahotanire mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia kũhota Michael kiharo-ini kĩa A1 van na nĩarakorirwo agĩkĩra kana agĩthiĩ nake arĩ namba 2.
No, so they'll capitalize, and then they came, and then yeah, I just had to keep my head down. After hole 14, hole 15, I came back, so after that it was fine, but it should have been much easier than I made it.
I definitely didn't hit anything off center in that front nine. I actually missed it left, saved par, and then brought it back to level. But after that, with the triple, double, and then bogey, I think he basically had gone with it, but I said it's not over till it's over. So just kept it going and saying that 6 is not a lot of shots, as you saw in the back nine. So yeah. But bringing it back, I mean, I started making the putts because I kept missing greens, but now I made the par putts, and then he, I think, felt a bit of the pressure, but brought it back on 15, which was good to see. And I love the competition, man.
I had nothing to lose. I was chasing, which was very comfortable for me. And unfortunately, I started with a bad round on the first day. So I just said I might as well attack and just go for it, and there's nothing to lose. So I came back. The tactic worked.